What if I told you that a simple journal you designed today in Canva without any prior experience could earn you $50,000 a year? No ads, no marketing, no paid promotions. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's what I thought too. Until I saw this book. I came across a journal on Amazon with a bestseller rank of 22,212. That's not just decent. It's selling around 12 copies a day. Let's do the math. 12 copies, each giving a royalty of about $2. That's $24 a day, which adds up to around $700 a month, and nearly $8,500 a year from just one book. Now imagine having 4 or 5 similar ones. That's more than $45,000 a year, earned passively, all from simple journals that don't even look that great. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, exactly how to create and publish your own journal on Amazon KDP, step by step. No tech skills required, no investment, just your time, a free Canva account, and a little curiosity. Let's begin. Head over to kdp.amazon.com. Scroll to the cover calculator. This tool is your starting point. Think of it as your guide. It tells you exactly what size your book cover needs to be. Choose these settings carefully. Binding type, paperback. Interior type, black and white. Paper type, white paper. Reading direction, left to right. Units, inches, trim size. 6 by 9, the most common and standard size. Page count, 120. Now hit Calculate Dimensions. KDP will instantly generate your exact cover size, along with a downloadable template. This tiny file, it's gold. Download it. Open the TNG version. That's what we'll use in Canva. You'll notice it gives you the final cover size, 12.52 by 9.25 inches, including spine and bleed areas. Time to design the cover. Open Canva. Click Create a Design. Then choose Custom Size. Switch to inches. Enter the size, 12.52 by 9.25, and click Create. Now upload that KDP template and stretch it to fit your canvas. The right side is your front cover. The left, your back cover. The faded zones are bleed areas. Be careful with these. Your design must stay inside them. To get inspired, browse through Amazon's best-selling journals. You'll be shocked at how simple they are. Some have just a clever title, no fancy images, just bold text on a colored background, and yet they're earning over $1,500 a month. Can you believe that? So let's begin with the background. You can use a solid color or a subtle texture. Then reduce the transparency so you can see the bleed lines clearly while designing. Now, the spine. This part is optional, but it gives your journal a professional edge. Place a thin strip or simple text in the center. Just be sure it's fully inside the safe zone. Now, the most important part, your title. This is the soul of your journal, the one line that grabs attention. Need help coming up with something catchy or funny? Ask ChatGPT. You can request memorable quotes about aging, forgetfulness, mindfulness, whatever fits your theme. I found a great one. My brain's on vacation. The notebook's in charge. It's fun, relatable, and perfect for a memory journal. Add the quote as text in Canva. Adjust the font, resize it, and place it right on the front cover, neatly within the bleed lines. Take your time here. Fonts can make or break a design. Experiment. Try different styles, colors, even drop shadows until it feels just right. Once satisfied, click Share, Download, and select PDF Print. Your cover is done. Next, we create the interior, the real heart of your journal. For most journals, we use lined pages with bleed. Check Amazon's print guidelines to be sure. For a 6 by 9 inch journal with bleed, the size is 6.125 by 9.25 inches. In Canva, Create a custom design with those exact dimensions. Now, let's set the margins. Go back to the same KDP page and scroll down to the margin section. For 120 pages, margins should be 0.375 inches. In Canva, press Shift plus R to activate the ruler. If it's not on, turn it on. Place guides at the top, left, and use a square method for the right and bottom margins. If it's not exact, get as close as you can. Now, design your journal lines. Add a horizontal line. Make it light gray and reduce its transparency so it doesn't overpower the page. Copy it about 25 times and space them out evenly. These are your journal lines. Align them carefully. This might take a bit of time, but it's worth it. From here, it's up to you. You can add prompts, small graphics, affirmations, or even simple icons. Again, look on Amazon for inspiration. Once your page looks good, duplicate it until you have 120 pages. Download the entire interior as a PDF print. You're almost there. Now, it's time to publish. Head to Amazon KDP. Click Create and choose Paperback. Fill in your book title and subtitle. Here's an important note. The text on your cover must match the book title exactly. If the cover says, "My brain's on vacation," then your title field must say the same. If it doesn't match, Amazon could reject your book. Next, the author name. You can use your real name or create a pen name. In the description box, I recommend using the AIDA formula: attention, interest, desire, action. If you need help crafting it, ask ChatGPT for a draft, then personalize it. Set your primary marketplace to Amazon.com. Choose this category. And don't forget to check the box that says Low Content Book. Now it's time to add 7 keywords. Think about what people would type when searching. Terms like funny notebook for seniors, gift for forgetful friends, or mindfulness journal. On the next page, choose black and white interior, white paper, 6x9 trim size. Bleed, yes. Cover finish, your choice, matte or glossy. Now upload your manuscript PDF and your cover PDF. It may take a few minutes to process. Be patient. You'll be asked about AI. Answer honestly. If you only used AI for titles or inspiration, it's fine to select no. Then, launch the Previewer tool. This step is critical. Make sure your pages, margins, and cover look perfect. If everything checks out, approve it. Now comes the final step. Set your book to worldwide distribution. Price it competitively. I suggest starting at $5.99 to gain traction. Once you get a few sales or reviews, you can raise it to $6.99 or $7.99. Then, click Publish your paperback. Take a deep breath. In the next 72 hours, your journal will be live for the entire world to see and buy. You've done it, from blank canvas to a published book, without spending a single cent. Just your creativity and consistency. And here's the best part. This method works. Over time, a few simple journals can bring in hundreds, even thousands each month. This isn't just a side hustle. It could become something much bigger. So don't wait. If this guide helped you, share it with someone who's struggling to publish their first book. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what worked and what you'd like to see next time. Thanks so much for watching. And remember this, your first book won't be perfect, but it will be the most important one you ever publish.